Welcome to Summer Sciences. In the previous lecture, we discussed about classical pathway of the complement system activation. But in this lecture, we are going to discuss lectin pathway of the complement system activation. Okay, alright, let us start our lecture. As we have discussed in the previous lecture that classical pathway uses antibodies to recognize the pathogen. But the lectin pathway do not rely on the antibodies to recognize the pathogen. But it uses lectin receptors such as mannose binding lectin receptors to recognize the specific carbohydrate components such as mannose, glucose or any other components which are found on the microbial surfaces. Mannose binding lectin receptors are also expressed by the liver in our body. Lectin pathway is activated in 4 different steps. In first step, mannose binding lectin receptors recognize the pattern associated molecular patterns on the pathogen membrane surface, which may be carbohydrates such as glucose, mannose or N-acetyl glucosamines. These components are present on the bacteria, viruses and fungi. In step 2, mannose binding lectin receptors which are attached to the carbohydrates molecule bind with mannose binding lectin serine proteases. There are 3 types of the MASP serine proteases: MASP1, MASP2 and MASP3. But in the lectin pathway, the most important is MASP2 serine proteases, which act like a C1 component of the classical pathway. In step 3, mannose binding lectin associated serine proteases, which was formed in the previous step, now cleave the C2 and C4 components of the complement system. It cleaves the C2 into C2 alpha and C2 beta, and it cleaves C4 into C4 alpha and C4 beta. In the next step, C2 alpha and C4 beta, which was generated in previous step, now combine to form a C3 convertase or C4 beta C2 alpha complex. This C3 convertase cleave the C3 component into 2 fragments, C3 alpha fragment and C3 beta fragments. C3 alpha play their role in the inflammation reactions, but C3 beta bind to the pathogen membrane surface and protect the host by acting like just in the classical. In some cases, C3 beta also combine with the C3 convertase to form C5 convertase. C5 convertase cleave C5 into C5 beta and C5 alpha. C5 alpha play their role in the inflammation reactions, but C5 beta initiate the formation of membrane attack complex on the pathogen surface that create pore on the surface of the pathogen. Now we can say that lectin pathway is just like the classical pathway, but it uses lectin receptors in place of antibodies to recognize the pathogen and mannose binding lectin associated serine proteases instead of C1s and C1R serine proteases in the complement system. So this was about the lectin pathway of the complement system activation. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.